Starting around 23 January 2024, Dogecoin truly is exchanging at $0.0767 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.25% in by and large most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Doge has a complete market cap of $10,953,083,545, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $567,392,533, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. This really makes Dogecoin, Doge, kind of positioning at 9 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Dogecoin basically be by and large worth in 2024, which especially is very critical. Is Dogecoin a very wise speculation or all things considered, worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive way? Will Doge cost especially outperform its unequaled fundamentally high in an exceptionally significant manner? These in every practical sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a quite large manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Doge value sort of is supposed to in a real sense cross a for the most part normal value level of $0.1261, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the really current year ought to explicitly be $0.1217 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Doge can generally arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $0.1443, which certainly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value estimate January 2024, the especially normal cost of Dogecoin, Doge, could explicitly go to $0.0911 toward the finish of January 2024. Doge could be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0.0937, with the base expected cost of $0.0833, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin, Doge, value figure February 2024, the Dogecoin, Doge cost for February 2024 may explicitly arrive at the very least worth of $0.0886, while the in every practical sense greatest determined cost basically is around $0.0983 in an unpretentious manner. The fundamentally normal cost for Doge really is basically anticipated to in every practical sense reach $0.0929 in February 2024 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin value conjecture walk 2024, the kind of normal cost of Dogecoin, Doge, could fundamentally go to $0.0957 toward the finish of walk 2024, in spite of prevalent thinking. Doge could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $0.1020, with the truly least expected cost of $0.0922 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin value gauge April 2024, the normal cost of Dogecoin, Doge, could essentially go to $0.0986 toward the finish of April 2024, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Doge could in every practical sense be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $0.1068, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.0942, or so they most certainly thought. Dogecoin value expectation May 2024, the cost of Dogecoin is by and large anticipated to especially reach it in every practical sense least worth of $0.0962 in May 2024 in an in every practical sense significant way. The Doge cost could sort of arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $0.1107, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.1005 all through 2024. Dogecoin, Doge, value figure June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Dogecoin basically is for the most part anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.1036, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $0.1157 and an exceptionally least of $0.0992 in a quite huge manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value estimate July 2024, the Dogecoin, Doge cost for July 2024 may for the most part arrive at an extremely least worth of $0.1034, while the very greatest determined cost in a real sense is around $0.1199, so Doge could truly be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $0.1020, with the very least expected cost of $0.0922, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The extremely normal cost for Doge really is generally anticipated to fundamentally reach $0.1077 in July 2024. Doge Value Gauge August 2024. The Dogecoin estimate for August 2024 expects that the Doge may in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.1242, with an all things considered least cost of around $0.1077, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Discussing the typical value, Doge can essentially stretch around $0.1120 for August. Doge Value Gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Dogecoin in every practical sense is estimated to sort of be at around a base worth of $0.1122 in an unpretentious manner. The Dogecoin value worth can for the most part arrive at a really limit of $0.1287, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.1165 in United States dollars, or so they essentially thought. Dogecoin, Doge, value estimate October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Dogecoin especially is somewhat anticipated to truly arrive at a really normal cost of $0.1200, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.1333 and a genuinely least of $0.1165 in a truly significant manner. Dogecoin Value Gauge November 2024. The truly normal cost of Dogecoin, Doge, could in a real sense go to $0.1236 toward the finish of November 2024 in a significant manner. Doge could explicitly be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $0.1381, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.1201 in a very significant manner. Doge Value Gauge December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Dogecoin all things considered is supposed to in every way that really matters arrive at a for the most part least value worth of $0.1217 in a very significant manner. The Doge cost could arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.1443, with the in every practical sense normal cost around $0.1261, which generally is genuinely critical. Dogecoin truly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been diminished by 6.09% in its fundamentally current worth, which is very critical. Assuming we look at the very current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin especially is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins in a sort of large manner. The Doge in every practical sense is down to nearly 5.75% in the kind of most recent 7 days. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for certainly past genuinely couple of days. The coin could sort of areas of strength for have yet. We don't truly believe that it would a productive resource in especially present